Hello, this is Test It to Limit 1-3 and we're going to show you our Hot Wheels track again. We've done some adjustments so it works now and it works perfectly with the hot rod. Alright, let's go. No, that one failed! How can that fail? Who's going to get it? We'll try that again. We did make an adjustment and we did it loads of times and
someone's moved it.
And it worked. It did work before. Someone's moved it apparently.
Apparently. It actually did it last week.
We should try this again. See, it works perfect. Let's go from here. Look at this view from here.
3, 2, 1.
See, it works perfect now. Thanks
There you
for
go.
watching and hope you enjoyed. Thanks, bye.